Hello friends, in this video I will show how to restrict editing in Microsoft Word document. So open Microsoft Word. Now here click on File, Info. Click on this drop down, Protect Document. Click on Restrict Editing. Here are some options you can restrict: formatting, limit formatting to a selection of style. Second option, editing restriction. Allow only the type of editing in the document. Here you can select, and in the last, are you ready to apply these settings? You can turn them off later. So click on yes, start, edit. Click on yes, start enforcing protection. Enter the new password. It's optional, and re-enter password to confirm. And you don't need to enter the password. Just click on OK. So this way, guys, you can restrict editing in Word document. Thanks for watching.